The global hazelnut market is valued at over $10 billion, fueling a massive demand for this popular nut. Let's explore how they're produced. The harvesting of hazelnuts has evolved significantly as the industry expands, adding thousands of acres each year. To keep up with this growth, farmers are adopting cutting-edge technology to streamline processes and improve efficiency. One key advancement has been the use of modern, labor-saving equipment, which helps reduce costs and enhance productivity. Service departments play an important role in maintaining this equipment, ensuring limited downtime and fostering strong customer relationships. Traditionally, harvesting required multiple machines, like pull-type harvesters and sweepers, involving around 9 people to cover the same acreage. Now, with the introduction of self-propelled harvesters such as the Monchiero units, just 2 machines can achieve what previously required many more resources, significantly boosting efficiency and reducing labor demands. When hazelnuts arrive at the factory, the process begins with a thorough inspection to ensure that only the highest quality nuts proceed further. Trained workers sample each batch of in-shell hazelnuts, meticulously examining them for size, color, and overall condition. This assessment includes a check of the nut's humidity levels, as maintaining the right moisture content is vital to preserving their freshness and preventing mold growth. Additionally, the nuts are analyzed for signs of rot, insect damage, and other imperfections. The factory maintains strict quality standards, so any hazelnuts that show defects, discoloration, or do not meet the required criteria are immediately discarded. This careful selection process ensures consistency and quality in the final product. Once the inspection is completed, the nuts that pass are moved to the next stage, shelling. The shelling process begins with pre-calibrating the in-shell nuts in large buffering tanks to ensure uniformity before shelling. This calibration step helps sort the nuts by size, optimizing the efficiency of the shelling. Once sorted, the nuts are processed at a high rate, with the shelling machines capable of handling 8 to 9 tons per hour. During shelling, the hard outer shells of the hazelnuts are cracked and removed, separating them from the kernels inside. The empty shells are then forwarded to the next stages of processing or used for other purposes, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. This efficient shelling process is important for maintaining a steady flow in the production line and preparing the nuts for further processing, whether for roasting, chopping, or other uses. Proper shelling not only speeds up production, but also preserves the quality of the hazelnuts. After the shells are removed, the hazelnuts undergo a thorough cleaning process to eliminate any remaining shell fragments or debris. Air blowers and vibrating screens are used to ensure the kernels are spotless. Once cleaned, the hazelnuts are ready for the next stage of processing, ensuring only high-quality kernels move forward for packaging or further refinement. This step is important for maintaining the product's purity and quality. In the grading step, hazelnuts undergo a meticulous 3-step sorting process to ensure they meet strict quality standards. Non-conforming nuts are automatically removed, while larger premium kernels are set aside for whole nut products. Smaller or slightly blemished nuts are designated for other uses, such as roasting, grinding, or making nut-based products. As the hazelnuts travel along a conveyor belt, workers inspect and manually sort them into various categories. This grading process guarantees that each hazelnut meets the specific quality requirements for its intended use. By sorting the nuts efficiently, producers optimize the harvest, ensuring that high-quality hazelnuts are used in a range of products, from snacks and nut butters to baking ingredients. This process maximizes the value of the crop while maintaining product quality. After grading, hazelnuts are sent to industrial ovens for roasting, a crucial step that enhances their natural flavor. The nuts are roasted at carefully controlled temperatures to ensure even cooking and the perfect level of crispness. Depending on the factory, different wood sources like hickory or applewood may be used during roasting, adding unique smoky flavors to the hazelnuts. This process creates rich, aromatic nuts that are either used as ingredients in various products or packaged for snacking. Roasting not only improves the taste, but also gives the hazelnuts their signature golden color. Quality control is a key part of hazelnut processing. Advanced technologies like the Shadow 5C sorting system are implemented. This machine is placed before manual sorting, using precise sensors to identify and remove defective, shriveled, or damaged hazelnuts. It significantly reduces the workload for operators while improving overall product quality. The sorting technology efficiently separates compliant nuts from foreign bodies, ensuring that only the finest hazelnuts move forward in production. By incorporating this system, the company has seen a noticeable improvement in output and reduced false rejections, optimizing the production line's efficiency. Ongoing support from technology providers, both remotely and in person, ensures that any technical issues are swiftly addressed, maintaining the high standards required in hazelnut processing. After passing the final quality checks, the hazelnuts enter the packaging stage. Specialized machines equipped with Hole effect technology seal the nuts, effectively preserving their freshness and preventing oxidation. This step extends the shelf life of the hazelnuts, ensuring they retain their natural flavor and quality. The packaging is carefully designed to protect the rich taste that consumers expect, making the product ready for distribution. After processing, hazelnuts are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses to preserve their freshness and prevent spoilage. Maintaining a cool and consistent temperature helps extend the nuts' shelf life while keeping their flavor and nutritional value intact. When it's time for distribution, hazelnuts are shipped using efficient logistics systems, often employing temperature-controlled trucks to ensure freshness during transit. Depending on the destination, they may be transported by truck, air, or sea, with each method carefully chosen to optimize delivery speed and quality. This meticulous approach to storage and shipping guarantees that the hazelnuts reach retailers and consumers in prime condition, providing a product that is as close to its farm-fresh state as possible. So there you have it, the incredible journey from freshly harvested hazelnuts to the delicious snack we enjoy. Be sure to check out our next video on how sliced sausages are processed as well.